Today we're going to be talking about rear end accidents, which are probably the most common type of traffic accident. What a rear end accident typically means is that the driver behind you wasn't paying attention to the road. In Nevada, we have something called due care. You have to use due care while driving. If somebody rear ends you, it's usually proof in and of itself that driver was negligent, that they weren't using due care while paying attention or focusing on driving. So what are some of the excuses they can make to say that they weren't negligent or some of the blame is on you? They can claim that you stopped out of nowhere. They can claim that you pulled out in front of them and stopped short or didn't leave them enough room. You have to keep enough room between you and the driver in front of you, but it's not an excuse to say that just traffic stopped out of nowhere. You need to be paying attention. You need to keep enough of a safe distance that if there is a break and pause in traffic, that you have the ability to stop and they can stop safely behind you in turn. If somebody is claiming that you're at fault, or maybe the car in front of you is at fault and that's why they rear end you, the police are a valuable resource. They will come, they will investigate things such as tire marks, statements of witnesses. If you have a dash cam, that can be really beneficial. So with all these things in mind, if you are involved in a rear end collision, give us a call at the number below and we'd be happy to talk you through it.